The first letter appeared on my doorstep like a secret I wasn't ready for. White envelope. No name. Just my address, written like someone had memorized it long ago. Inside, a single line. I know what you're still carrying. I felt something break inside. Because I was carrying something. A year of guilt. A year without Daniel, my best friend. My brother in everything except blood. The next morning, another envelope. Same handwriting. Same silence. Meet me where you stopped looking. I knew exactly where that was. The old river bridge. Where our last conversation ended in anger. Where I walked away too soon. Where he never returned. That evening, the bridge felt colder. Quieter. Like it remembered everything. On the railing sat a wooden box. With my name carved like a memory that never faded. Inside, Daniel's watch. Still ticking. Still alive. Unlike him, or so I thought. Underneath it, a folded note. You left. I didn't. The words cut deeper than I expected. I turned. A woman stood there. Calm face. Soft eyes. Like she'd been waiting too long. I'm the reason you're getting letters, she said. Why? I asked. Because Daniel trusted me with the truth. My heart almost stopped. He's alive. She shook her head slowly. He was. And he fought hard. But he woke up with no memories. No name. Except one word he kept repeating. I swallowed. What word? Yours. My chest tightened. Then she handed me a final envelope. Heavier. Worn. Like someone held it 1,000 times. Inside was a stack of letters. All addressed to me. All written by Daniel. None of them ever delivered. The first one said, I'm sorry for following you that night. I just didn't want to lose you. My hands trembled. Another letter. You walked away. And I didn't know how to ask you to stay. Then the hardest one. If something happens to me, please don't blame yourself. You were the best part of my life. Tears dropped on the paper. I didn't even try to wipe them. The nurse placed a hand on my shoulder. He remembered you before he remembered his own name. But his body didn't make it. These letters were the last thing he asked me to give you. I felt the weight of every unsaid word between us. Every moment I thought he abandoned me. When he was the one trying to come back. She pointed toward the water. He wanted you to know one more thing. I opened the last letter. Smallest one. Shaking hands. If I don't make it, remember this. I never left you. Not even for a second. I closed my eyes. The bridge felt heavier than the whole world. For a long time, I stood there, holding the letters he wrote, but never sent. Holding the truth I never asked for. Holding the friendship I thought I lost, but never really did. And for the first time in a year, I let myself cry for him. Not in guilt, not in anger, but in gratitude. Because sometimes the biggest mystery is not why someone left, but how deeply they tried to stay.